Incentive Spirometry is a device used to provide visual feedback in order to encourage patients to breathe deeply. It is recommended for post-operative patients to prevent reduced lung volume, poor inspiratory muscle strength, and reduced oxygenation. Flow incentive spirometry, whereby the magnitude of airflow during inhalation is indicated by the number of balls and the level to which they rise. Patients are instructed to take a slow, deep breath through the mouthpiece with their lips sealed around the mouthpiece to maximally distribute ventilation. Ongoing inspiration is encouraged by visual feedback, for example, a ball rising to a preset marker. Quick, short breaths without an inspiratory hold at the end would not be effective for this exercise. A hunched over position with the device tilted is also not recommended for this exercise. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos coming up soon.